Mr. Speaker, recently President Obama's activist Department of Labor released its final rulemaking to revise overtime regulations. This rule doubles the overtime salary threshold to just over $47,000 virtually overnight when it goes into effect on December 1st. Many Americans will soon realize they have fewer job prospects, less flexibility in the workplace, and less opportunity to move up the economic ladder. Those who least can afford it will be hit the hardest: small businesses, nonprofits, and educational institutions. Augusta University, the second largest employer in my district, is just one example of the many organizations that is affected by this ill-advised rule. The school just announced it will have to switch about 800 employees from salary to hourly wages to comply with this new mandate, resulting in a partial paycheck for them during this transition. A university administrator stated that keeping the employees salaried is not an option, and while tearing up, said this move will be tough for the employees and their family. Even one employee went so far as to say, "It's going to kill us." We need to get the government out of the way to let Americans do what they do best: innovate, flourish, and create jobs for generations to come. And I yield back.